Should I stay or should I go? Somebody let the lid up, some fucking idiot. See, I've got the door propped up so they get used to, I think this is the second one that comes. Oh man, he loves peanuts and almonds. Hey Jack, just came to see how you're doing. You've been keeping out of trouble without me, I hope. Okay, who wants to hazard a guess? Yes, it is. It's a snaffle bit. Kind of pushed inside, outside in. Found it like that. If I try to take it apart, it'll come apart. I don't know what this is, and I would really like to know. I've had it for years, I think. Okay, big buckle. Look at this big one. Here's another half of a snaffle bit. Sorted. Buckles, butcher knife. I don't know if that's a butcher knife. Some other knife. I found those not far apart, not right in the same area, close, but in the same area, but not together. Okay, these parts here, so I'm told, were from old-time school desks. You know, they're big and heavy, so when they tied the kid down to it, he just couldn't get up and run out into the woods and hide. He'd have to hold that freaking desk with him. He couldn't do it. So, that's it. I'd have got away, though, somehow. Okay, this lady's just waiting to be hassled. Hello. Okay. Any metal detecting or gold mining equipment?
No.
Any racing pigeon paraphernalia?
No. Sorry.
Okay, thanks for your time. I know, I knew she wasn't going to have any of that. Neither does this guy. Okay, I don't need any of that stuff. That guy didn't have anything. Your neighbor doesn't have any good stuff over there. Hi.
Hey, so you filming?
Oh.
He's trying to figure out what. He's like, what?
Can he understand what this is? This is a mean dog locator. When I drive up and down the street. Now what?
And he's usually pretty good. Come on.
Good boy, pal. Come here.
Yeah.
Good boy, buddy. Come here, little pal.
You can get that if you just get. He'll stop.
What's his name?
Winston.
Winston. What a nice guy you are, pal.
Winnie.
You just wanted me to come over here and pet you. You were barking for attention, weren't you, pal?
He's smart like that.
He is smart.
Bubby.
Yeah, he's
Good
smart.
boy, pal.
He's like, I know how to do it.
Yeah, he does. Thank you for your time, ladies.
Thank you.
Okay, looking at the trail in front of me, beautiful, great view. What do I spy? A little feather. Let me see if I can get this feather in front of this camera. These feathers are the best luck in the world. Now I'm going to keep this feather with me, and with all confidence I will continue my search for gold. Jesus, this is freaking beautiful up here. Come here, you little guys.
You guys say hi?
Come here and say hi.
This one's friendly. The black one is a puppy, and she, let me just get a dog tag. She's kind of shy, but not to you.
Nah, no dogs are shy of me. I don't know. I think I smell like dog food.
Oh,
What are their names?
the little black one is Maddie, and then Timmy.
All right. Maddie. Good dog, little Maddie and Timmy.
Maddie's only 5 months old.
Oh.
She's getting used to.
What kind of dog is it? A Manhattan Malamute?
A miniature pincer.
Oh, okay.
And then the mom
Good.
looks like him.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
I'd love to find that one.
Yeah, I mean, Jesus sees it. And, you know, look at how you can see how deep that one is. The other ones are at least that deep. That's why I thought maybe somebody drilled these, but they have to be.
No, those are Indian. Guarantee you.
Okay, great. Look at here. Hey, here's right over here, too. Look.
Yeah, this is
Look, the water's frozen on top of these.
these are huge, man.
I know, that's what I said. The biggest ones I've ever seen.
Me too. Man, these are nice.
Yeah. Look how somebody moved this freaking rock.
Yeah.
See that?
Looking for relics.
Or gold. That's where it was.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, somebody was looking around here for their head. I know, and once they do one of them, here come a whole bunch more.
Dropped off in the middle of the night.
God damn. It didn't come that far though, you know that. Look at the tires are flat.
What's all that shit?
Just garbage. That's it must have been a farmer because that's that irrigation line.
Prowler.
Drip.
Here's his ticket.
Is license plate on there or anything?
Hell no.
I can't see one, but he's got a ticket here. Said, get your ass out of Dodge fast or you're going to jail, asshole.
God, what a piece of junk.
Damn. I don't think that one is a bullet. Might be a shotgun, Makonga.
I get shotguns lower, mostly, unless
Okay.
it's really old, but nothing old here.
Let me spot it for you.
Didn't get it.
Right on that edge.
Oh, there it is.
45 caliber 44.
Yep, and I gotta check something.
To see if that bullet fits in it?
Let's see if it fits. I'd have a job. Look at that.
Yep. Put some powder in that bastard and a new primer and see if you can get it to work. Cool. What the hell is this, Mike?
That's George. That's Steve. And that's Carl.
All right.
Nope.
Macamba! Look at that little beauty. Look at these big sons of bitches. Boy, that's a good, healthy looking cow, huh? Yeah, I need a prescription. Ronaldo La Bamba? No, it's not it.
Yeah, there's a pipe coming out.
Holy fuck-a-manga!
Almost went, man.
I almost went. Maybe I can do it this time.
That is slow. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Slippery, huh? Even you don't even have to step on the moss and it's slippery. Wow, look at this, man. Look at fucking this. There's your diving platform.
And I've dove in here with a mask on. It's deep.
Look at these nice deer tracks. These are where he slipped. See where he's sliding down there? Then he jumped down there and look at him on the other side where he jumped up the other side. He looks like a big monster elk, but it was a deer just going in the mud. Really great. Yeah. Humba. Okay, there's another one. This is the old 3040 Krag. There's a beautiful house too. Before I saw that coyote, I was feeling real. See, I can't explain how I feel. I get these feelings like if something's around. But it wasn't a real good feeling though. And anyway, there it was. The feeling worked again. It's worked so many times in my life. I just know something's gonna happen out of the ordinary and bingo. Great, huh? Hello. I got a prescription here this is for Viagra and ecstasy and lots of it. Unless that dentist is a liar.
Looks like it's a liar.
Oh, the bastard. Great hair. Jesus Christ, there's a yard sale around here? Oh, come on, you fucking idiot. Guy's got a Russian boombox. There's a little squirrel on the side of the tree. He can see me. I just raised the blinds up and he's a little scared. But I put those acorns at the bottom of that tree that I got off the mountain yesterday. There he is. And watch him grab that one of those acorns. He says, "Oh boy." All right, little fella. He says, "I'm gonna go plant an oak tree." There he goes. Come on, come on. Hey, come here. Dog. You're a nice guy. You're a nice fella. Look out, here's this turkey sneaking up on you again, pal. Look out for that turkey. I won't let it get to you. Leave that dog alone, turkey.